Hi everyone, Laith from Wineberry Hill. I'm making some changes to the vertical growing space in my greenhouse. I'm switching from the rigid, kind of inflexible growing wall to a little bit more flexible vertical nursery. As autumn slowly rolls into New England, it's time that I focus on what I'm growing inside the greenhouse. Previously, I had 9 food-safe buckets mounted to the wall, and I was growing strawberries in them, and they did great. But over time, I came to realize that it's a really inefficient use of the space. The first thing I did was remove the old containers and drip irrigation. I also reconfigured the reflective foil on the wall. I moved the strawberries to planters on the edge of the bed, as well as inside the bed. Now that the wall was once again a blank canvas, it was time to build the shelves. I decided to make the shelves as strong as possible to allow for more plants in the future if I wanted. After thinking about last fall, winter growing season in the greenhouse, I realized I wanted to be able to grow more things on that vertical growing space. I also wanted to have the flexibility of changing plants in and out. And finally, when the spring comes, I want it to be easier to move plants growing on that nursery wall to my outside gardens. I think that's much better. This time around, I'm growing plants that my rabbits will eat. So that's plants like parsley, chicory, dandelion, and sage. In addition to what I'm going to be doing on the growing wall, I'm trying to make for a much more denser square foot style of growing in the raised bed itself. Currently in the greenhouse bed, I have 4 zucchini trees going. They're getting very heavy because they're setting fruit and they have lots of flowers on them. I also am growing green beans, kale, also strawberries and tomatoes. This is likely going to change as the winter comes on, but that's what's growing right now. Whew. It's hot in there. Well, I'm curious, what are your plans for the fall winter growing season ahead of us? I'd love to hear in the comments, and I've said it in the past, your comments and all that YouTube stuff make this channel possible. And be sure to check out my shop. And if you like this video, you might like these.